cleaning done this Mantis tiller. Only time it gets used is for a couple side jobs, usually tear up the surface. Like to get a bigger one than this, but gets the job done. I don't sell no side jobs to warrant getting a bigger one. It's about to be a cold start. We'll see if it even fires up. It's first start of the season. You go fire up and make me look like a dummy. Put a little choke out. Uh-oh. Now you gotta lift it. Choking. Before the car cleaning, it'll cut right off as soon as I let go.